Hello. So, fortunately, I got some bad feedback from a customer, and it was an interesting case. Plus, it was a case where I wanted to make his cooling a lot better, and put liquid metal on it, and basically, once he'd finished doing it, tried to boot the laptop, wouldn't boot. Brought it here. I looked at it, couldn't figure the problem out. Called it as a CPU problem, and I was wrong. But I'm not always right. Um, However, the case I have here, which I've posted the video, is this laptop. Um, and he assured me that he'd be very careful, putting the liquid metal on. So at first, I had a weird reading on that coil there where the left probe is, 18 ohms. That was nothing, and took the LCD cable out, and that disappeared randomly. And then I tried the power supply on the power socket. Probably see in a second. Here maybe. Got 19 volts on the power supply. Then let me move this. And it took 70 milliamps. See 70 milliamps. See in the corner, which is bad. Like the laptop is turned off. I've never seen a CPU, a laptop that's taking that much power. Turned off. Usually something would be getting hot. Something's usually would be gone. Which was odd. And then what happened was I took the heatsink off. There we go. And we were faced with loads of liquid metal, loads of it. And then I tried the 19 volts again, and I don't think it was drawing any power. So clearly, taking the heatsink off made a difference. 0.3 this time. Laptop should take 1.1, 0.2 when it's off. This was taking 0.3. I was I thought the thermal camera out, trying to figure out where the problem was. Unfortunately, I couldn't. Looked like there was possibly a hotspot on the CPU. This is where the liquid metal had seeped out. I mean, that's underside of the heatsink. I had a look around. It put like a barrier, some kind of barrier up around it. And when we chatted, it was like, yeah, that should have stopped anything. So I kind of carried on. Eventually, after 26 minutes, I had to call it. I had to call it. I had to move on. There's nothing else I could have done. On hindsight, what happened was the customer sold a laptop. I mean, I went and charged a diagnosis fee. My diagnosis fee, I charged £20, and I gave him my opinion. And my opinion was the CPU is probably dead because of a problem with somehow the liquid metal. What I should have done was carried on, persevered, cleaned it all up, and it would have worked. So I'm genuinely sorry. And for any time I ever make a mistake, I am truly sorry. But they do happen, and hopefully, the customer this time will understand. I did try. I didn't just do nothing. And from now on, what I'm not going to do again is say to the customer, look, you know, sell it as spares repairs on eBay. I'm going to say, go have another professional have a look at it for a second opinion. Because if I'd have done that, never know, the second guy might have sort it and we'll all be happy. So I appreciate the feedback and yeah, do better, eh? Thanks for watching. Cheers.